Hi, today we're going to be crimping. Okay. Well, we need to crimp first. Oh yeah, we'll be right back. Yeah. How's recording? Okay, so we're back with a crimp. It's 3 hours later.
It's 10 minutes later.
Shh. Do you want them to know we didn't work hard on this? And we're just lazy asses?
Here you go.
Here you go. Coke! Coke! The evil Coke! Coke! Oh, it's so cold and tasty! Tasty, tasty! Yummy, yummy! Coke! Point to a can today! But it's not actually Coke, it's dye.
No! Why?
Okay, so...
I'm sorry!
Okay, so we're back with the crimp. It's 3 hours later.
No, it's 10 minutes later.
Shh. Do you want them to know how hard we didn't work on this? And that we're such lazy asses?